Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Charles on 11th, beautifully restored historic Southside home, walkable, perfect for groups. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free parking and a free Wi-Fi. In the 5 Points South District of Birmingham, close to Alys Robinson Stevens Performing Arts Centre, Charles on 11th, beautifully restored historic Southside home, walkable, perfect for groups, has free Wi-Fi and a washing machine. This property has a patio. The air-conditioned vacation home is composed of 6 separate bedrooms, a living room, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and microwave, and 4 bathrooms. Towels and bed linen are offered. BJCC is 2.9 miles from the vacation home, while Legion Field is 3.1 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Birmingham-Shuttlesworth International Airport, 7.5 miles from Charles on 11th, beautifully restored historic Southside home, walkable, perfect for groups. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.